Namaste. Subject Gate Cloud Network Analysis Volume 1 R.K. Kanodia and Ashish Murolia. Exercise 1.1. Question MCQ question, multiple choice question 1.1.2. Which of the following amount of electrons is equivalent to minus 3.941 coulomb of charge? Option A 1.628 into 10 to the power of 20. Option B 1.24 into 10 to the power of 18. Option C 6.482 into 10 to the power of 17. Option D 2.46 into 10 to the power of 19. So which of the following amount of electrons is equivalent to minus 3.941 coulomb of charge anta kelidare. So solution for this question. So option D is the correct answer. So that is 2.46 into 10 to the power of 19. How? We know that charge equal to number of electrons. N andre number of electrons into electrons. So Q equal to minus N into E. Okay. Where N is the number of electrons. So electrons ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So charge the value is given minus ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Minus 3.941 equal to minus. ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. This minus get cancel. N into electrons is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. Okay. So then N equal to this value 3.941 divided by 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. So by using calculator we'll get this answer. Andre gate the virtual calculator use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾನಿಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಆಯಿತಾ. ಆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.